Hey, Tech Guy Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to wrap text in Google Sheets. So if you have a spreadsheet like I've got here and you have some cells where the text is popping out the side here, if you don't want to make the cell bigger, you can wrap the text to make it fit into the cell. And this is how you do it. So drag and highlight the cells with the text you want to wrap. So you can either do it from the Format tab, click on Format, and go to Wrapping, and then click on Wrap Text. So now you can see the text isn't overflowing. It has been fitted into one cell, as you can see. The other way to do it is by using the toolbar. You've got a text wrapping tab there. So you just click down and you can click to wrap. And if you want to unwrap it, you click on overflow. So if I click on that, you can see the text pops back out again. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.